Hey everybody, welcome back to Goodale Farm. Quick video today. Hope you enjoy it. Sometimes in the early morning when I'm inside the house, I hear something going on outside. Too early for package delivery, too early for mail. I thought to myself, is there a critter out there? And the sound comes from this front porch area. Quite a mystery. I go up there and ask that blue jay, who's perched in that tree there, watching me. I wonder if that blue jay would know anything. I notice a lot of the paint's been chipping away here. Some of it I think is just the weather, the sun beating on it. But it's strange to see that you see little flakes that seem to be coming off. And you gotta wonder what's going on here. Yeah, so if you see your paint chipping, it might be white paint, it could be all kind of paint. What you come to find is blue jays, maybe other birds, they actually use those paint chips to get calcium for their system. So they're storing this calcium, getting ready for the springtime for when they need to lay eggs. You need calcium, you need other minerals in your system to lay eggs. Calcium is one of the primary ones. So interestingly so, if you want to eliminate or avoid the birds chipping away at your paint, get eggshells. You have eggs for breakfast, you use eggs for cooking. Keep the eggshells and throw them outside where you see the birds chipping away at your paint. They'll use the actual eggshells, get the calcium off of that, and stay away from your paint. All right, so there you have it. Paint chips, calcium, blue jays, birds, laying eggs. Have a great day.